Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box for the month of June. Came in this mailer. There shouldn't be any sweet little children noises today because my son is at preschool, but of course his dad is gunsmithing in the living room. So if you hear buzzing, I'm not in danger. It's just the average noise of Hound Dog Hollow. Let's check it out. Oh, calendula. Oh, I love calendula. I always read this last, but let's see what it is. Token of Light. All right. Ooh. So there's a tea bag. I'm going to leave this over here. And this is a solar plexus herbal tea. And of course we have the beautiful calendula. Bright, beautiful herbs. Oh, okay, we're sticking to each other here. Okay, this is a spewit. So we probably got an oil here somewhere. Spewit. Dropper, whatever. Let's check out this oil. My, sounds like baby turkeys. It's baby turkeys or baby ducks that are going beep, 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 beep. They're not quite making their adult noises yet. Solar sight, maybe? I'm not really good at reading. Ooh, very, very citrusy. Yum. And it's got all these beautiful ingredients floating around in it. I try to film a video or maybe a short clip of my animals sometime this week if I can. Oh, look at you. Beautiful. I love the smell of beeswax. And let's see. Got a little orange bag here. Ooh. Bless America, this is amazing. I'll tell you more about it when I read the thing. Ooh, lemongrass. Rope incense. That's pretty cool. Oh. It's a sun. It's really pretty. My spirit is strong and shines like the sun. Lovely. Can you see everything? Yeah, I think so. And then I picked this up, but I wanted to save the big items, so to speak, for last. And this is like a candle holder. Close, pretty close. Let's see what our insert says. Sifting through our daily work, we can find that routine, spiritual maintenance, and upkeep can be easily forgotten. As we remember that these fundamental practices are the actual basis for our day, we begin to slowly turn our spirit towards the token of light. These principles can aid us in our ability to stay aware and alert throughout every moment. Simply the ability to turn low energy levels into higher, more naturally aware state can make a substantial difference in the manifestations that we work to create. So calendula, or marigold, originated in Mediterranean areas, Europe and some parts of Asia being named for the first day of the month, Calends, when they were noted to bloom. An overall symbol of joy and happiness, calendula was used in many ancient ceremonies, including the Romans and Greek, making garlands of flowers to celebrate. Even in India, the calendula flower was used to decorate the Hindu deities as a token of honor and recognition. Cool. I'm surprised. Well, marigold's big for my continent, America. I don't really think of, I mean, I know they are the same thing. Yeah, calendula or marigold. Pretty cool. Solar Site Ritual body oil. Oh, I was right. I can barely read the writing, which is really pretty, but this blend has been created with fractionated coconut oil. Its intention is opening the doorway to enlightenment. So it has chamomile, lemongrass, and bergamot. It has calendula and lemon verbena herbs and a Lemurian quartz. It also has a special mixture of our Horus magical oil. The Golden Glow Affirmation Spell Candle with a candle holder. It is a candle holder. It's pretty cool. So basically, we have hand rolled the spell candle with the intention of enhancing your ability to receive through light work. Cool. The Sun's Token pewter pendant or chain represents the sun and its radiance. Red Tiger's Eye Tumble Stone. I say this is funny because I literally just bought a bunch of these. And I was thinking to myself, well, maybe I should buy some for me too. But it came to me. They always come to me. They always come back. Lemongrass Ritual Rope Incense. Oh, let me go back to the Red Tiger's Eye. Is powerful stone for grounding and energy production. Keeps us on track as we work to harness the energy from magical workings. The Solar Plexus Herbal Tea. Organic China Black Tea, Organic Awesome Tea, and Organic Calendula Petals. And then the artwork, which is just beautiful. Very, very cool box. I love this box. This box is just a little burst of joy. And so many goodies for such a reasonable price. It's 29 bucks a month. And it's amazing. I love the focus on herbs because even though I grow my own garden, I'm working on it anyway. A lot of stuff is not things that I would have grown anyway. So, for example, oak, I have hanging out, but I don't necessarily grow it in my garden. Willow, I don't have on my property. What was it? Rose, I have growing, but I don't do much with it. And then what? Blue cornflower. And here we are. Wait, no, I'm missing a month. Oh, olive, which I also don't grow in my yard. So far I've gotten things that I don't really have access to and that I haven't really thought of as far as its magical property. So it's really nice to expand not only my herbal collection, my apothecary, and my altar and ritual tools, but also my knowledge. So that's always a plus. Anyways, thanks for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate you guys checking this out, and I hope to talk to you soon.